In this video, I'll show you how you can set up automatic investments in Fidelity. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on Account and Trade, and then you want to click Transfers here. And then from here, you should see something that says Set up Recurring Transfers. And then from there, you just want to go ahead and click Investment in the top right. And then from here, you can choose either stocks or ETFs or mutual funds. For this video, I'll use a mutual fund as an example, so I'll select it here. And then you want to select the account that you want to set up the automatic investments in. So here I'll use my HSA. And then from there, I'll use FXAIX as an example. And then here, I'll go ahead and put $200. And then I'll set it to once a month. And I'll do it for the first of the month. And then from here, the end date's optional, so you don't have to put that. And then from there, you can go ahead and click preview. And then you just want to confirm that everything looks good. And if it is, click confirm. If you want to learn how to transfer money into your Fidelity account, check out this video.